Hi everyone, my name is Ichi from Moldex3D. So today I will present compression molding simulation for all of you. Okay, this is today's topic. So I will set the 5 topics in this presentation. The first one is the introduction of compression molding. Second one is the compression molding vs injection molding. Third one is the advantage and the disadvantage of the compression molding. Fourth is Moldex3D compression molding module. The final one is the simple case study. The first topic is the introduction of compression molding. As we know, compression molding is the molding process that the operator put the material we call the charge into the mold and then close mold and squeeze the charge into the cavity. And in compression molding, we can use the thermoset material, thermoplastic material, elastomers material, and the natural rubbers. Here we will mention about 3 mold types of compression molding. For the first one is fresh mold type. We can see the right side pictures. Sorry, wait a minute. Let me to use the point to show you. So you can see the picture on the right side. Yeah, after we finish the compression molding, you will see the flash near your part. Yeah, this is because when you use this type mold, you will have a small space. Yeah, so this is the reason why you have a flash. Yeah, and you can see its benefit is less prone to ballisting. Yeah, next one is the positive mold type. Yeah. This one you have to have a accurately measure charge. Yeah, because there is no space, small space in the mold. Yeah, so we can see the pictures. You put the charge in here and compressed.